You can expect a lot from the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck lines up eagerly against competing models, delivering the perfect blend of power, safety, and flair. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.